Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Telegram application on your Android device. Before starting, if you don't know what Telegram application is, Telegram is a freeware, cross-platform, cloud-based instant messaging service. The service also provides end-to-end corrupted video calling, file sharing, and several other features. In order to download this application, you need to open Play Store for an Android and App Store for an iOS device. Here I am going to open Play Store. After opening Play Store, on search bar I am going to write Telegram and tap on search. Here you can see the page of Telegram has already opened, and in order to download this application, we simply need to tap on install. It was launched for iOS on 14th August 2013 and Android in October 2013. The server of Telegram has distributed worldwide to decrease frequent data load with 5 data centers in different regions, while the operational center is based in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. As you guys can see, our application is already downloaded, and in order to open this application, we need to tap on open. This is how you guys can download Telegram application on your Android device in an easy and a secure way. I hope you guys find this video informative, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and press the subscribe button. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for the latest upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much guys for watching.